Well, g'day again. So we're going for a little drive out of the city today, up to Ayutthaya. We haven't been anywhere for a few weeks, so I thought let's go somewhere and do something. So we're taking Pa's coming, our chauffeur, he's coming too, and my lovely girl. Anyway, just give you a quick preview of what you're in for today. And by the way, yeah, like just down here, there's a little button. Right, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It keeps you up to date with what we're doing. Anyway, a quick preview and we'll catch you in a minute. Hello darling, what you doing?
Not doing.
You sure?
Yeah.
We're just going to get some gas and get some petrol. But yeah, it's Ayutthaya is about an hour and a half drive north from where we live. Thankfully, we don't actually have to go through the city. We just go down to the Bangkay. Get into this is something that you like. We always love this sort of stuff.
Oh my God.
Crazy shit.
Crazy.
Like if the noise pollution around here isn't bad enough, right? People just don't know how to share the road, right? And these cars here, right? They've got no idea how to sort of be helpful with traffic congestion, especially around our soy. Tell you what.
Hey, in the morning, not ugly, okay?
I'm not angry,
I tell you, when you ugly, just smile.
Yeah, smile.
Thailand,
yeah.
Smile all the time.
Thai
Make you feel better, okay, for morning. Not thinking about anything for morning. When you argue, when you serious, just smile.
I'm not serious, I'm just saying.
I tell you what, when you have a problem, what you say? Smile,
smile.
Yeah.
Thai people.
No, not say that.
Thai people crazy.
Smile.
Just smile.
Smile.
Don't worry. You cannot change the way Thai people are, so just smile. That's all you can do. It's crazy. Really crazy. But anyway, so it's an hour and a half out of the city. We drive north, we hang a left at Bangkay, and we can pretty much bypass the whole city. So it's a pretty good drive. It's a lot easier to drive that way than it is down to Pattaya or down to Hua Hin. But we'll probably get a few of those trips in the next few months as well. I think we're going to take an elephant ride. If we can work out where we're going. No, don't go here. I think not want to wash car. Okay, so our first stop today is Wang Chang Ayutthaya.
Wang Chang Ayutthaya.
Right, okay. There's probably going to be a couple of things we're going to do today, just checking out the area. So it'll probably be 2 or 3 videos. I don't know how it's going to pan out, but just follow us along, and we'll sort of keep you updated as much as I learn. I'll tell you what's going on. But just a quick reference on Ayutthaya. Ayutthaya used to be the capital of Thailand. So before Ayutthaya was the capital, I think when we were up to Sukhothai, I did mention the fact that Sukhothai was the capital. Yeah, the capital's moved a few times over the last 1,000 years, and as you know, it's like Thailand is an ancient, has a long history. But yes, Ayutthaya is probably the one city that held the capital status the longest. I think so 450, 460 years it was the capital of Thailand. It lost the capital status back in the 17th century when it was invaded by Burma. So you know, this is one of the things I mentioned on an earlier video. Why is there like a little bit of a animosity between Myanmar and Thailand? Because they invaded and it's never been forgiven. But a little bit of history, and I am learning the history as I go along. Again?
Elephant, the king.
Yeah, the king has a big reverence for the elephants.
The king stay here.
Yeah, the king stay here. Yep. Yeah, so this place here, obviously I just mentioned before. Yeah, so we've got some elephant rides. So we'll probably take a bit of a wander around on an elephant, take some video of the place. But Ayutthaya is an absolutely beautiful place to come and visit. Quite often gets flooded out. It's called the Island City because there's 3 rivers converge, and the central part of Ayutthaya is actually on a sort of in an island now. So it's quite interesting in that respect. We did come here a little while before. Got elephant shows. I do also know that a few people on our channel have made comments about elephant abuse. I understand it does go on, but this is Ayutthaya and the elephants here are fairly well kept. It's on one of the places that is fairly well taken care of. The elephant. It is a national symbol, a national animal. I think the elephant likes dancing. You think he likes dancing? He dances good like you. I think he wants to go cabaret. Cabaret elephant. So we have a new pet. Here he is. Hello, elephant. Love me, look. Love me, look. Smile. Look at this. What's this? Oh, look, yeah. Good. Let me give to the trainer. Yep. Please wave to me, like, good boy. I think the elephant likes to dance. They're as large as life, they really are. What you doing now, darling?
Yeah,
you want to feed them? Okay, darling. We want more. He's so hungry. Okay, we're going to go on one of these, okay. Okay, so now we're on the elephant. And she's scared a little bit. Why are you scared, darling?
I'm scared.
Why? Because so high.
I don't know.
It's okay, don't worry. It's okay. I think I do many like this. Of course, it's a real good test of the image stabilization. You kind of get a feel for how it was before these four-wheeled petrol guzzlers came on the road.
I'm very scared.
Why are you scared? No, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry.
It's okay, sure.
So it looks like we're going to go for a walk around the park here. Look at some of the ruins. Apart from the view of the overhead wires, it's actually quite a good view to sort of look at the ruins. It's just hard to also comprehend the age of most of these structures. Like I come from a country that's got just over 200 years history, and these structures here were born, raised and fell into ruin before our country even started. And of course, don't forget, just up in here there's a link to our Patreon account. You're always welcome to slide a few bucks each month to our exploits or our adventures. A couple of bucks, it pays for a coffee for us, you know. Have a think about it. We don't mind a tip every so often, and if you don't want to sort of pledge a monthly sort of contribution to the channel, down in the descriptions below there's a link to our PayPal account for one-time donations if you want. Darling, it looks like we have a motorcycle convention.
Yeah.
Harley Davidson.
Big Harley Davidson. Big
Harley Davidson everywhere. Looks like the Harley Davidson Hells Angels Thailand. I like motorcycle, like this one. Like this one here. Yeah, many motorcycles. Oh, you'll notice I've got my Harley Davidson shirt on, yes. I've never actually succumbed to the whole, what they call midlife crisis and buying a Harley. But I tell you what, I'm so tempted sometimes. I don't know if you can actually see from the video, but these structures are sort of made by bricks, like about 1.5 inches high and 4 inches square. It's absolutely amazing, the architecture. And I'm sure we'll get a chance to look at a few of the temples around the place. There's quite a few temples to see in Ayutthaya. Which ones we actually end up going to, I really don't know. And yes, there was a two-tier pricing here with the elephant ride, but I think it's all in good support of the location, at least anyway. And of course it costs us an extra 160 baht to get our official portrait photo done as well. And let's not forget that there is a souvenir shop. When you come to these places, have a think about supporting them, because it all helps to... oh, okay, look, a t-shirt, I not have one of these.
What you want, sure?
I don't know.
Have more color, black and red.
Black and red, okay, yeah, this one, yeah.
One and have this one too, nah?
No, not like this, not like this.
Okay, you want white or black?
I want white and black and red.
Black and red.
Black and red?
Yes. Looking king size first.
What for size me? Okay, so we've done the elephant park, I guess. What's the name here again?
Wang Chang Ayutthaya.
Wang Chang Elephant Park is yeah. So on to the next place. Stay tuned for that one.
And now to go water market.
Oh, the water market. Okay, so that'll be the next video, the water market. Anyway, bye for now.